Hey, welcome to this video. This is Ted from Ted Talks Bass. Today we're going to talk about frequency interference, and I'm going to show you how to switch channel banks with the CF-80 wireless system. But before we do that, let's talk a little bit about what frequency interference is and why it happens. Now, I am a bass player, but this applies to guitars as well. If you've ever used a wireless system, any wireless system, you've probably experienced crackling sounds, dropouts, and inconsistent performance. If you have, that is frequency interference, and it happens when multiple wireless devices operate within the same frequency range. The CF-80 operates on a 2.4 gigahertz ISM frequency, which stands for Industrial, Scientific, and Medical. This frequency range is commonly used for various wireless devices. Now that you understand the basics, let me show you how to switch between channel banks in the CF-80. Before you start, you got to make sure that they're both turned on and already paired. Take a look at the blue lights on both devices. If they're solid, that means they're successfully paired and ready to go. If they're blinking, refer to another video to see how to pair the CF-80. The change between channel banks is actually pretty simple. What you're going to do, you've got your transmitter and a receiver. You're going to double click the link button on the transmitter. What you'll notice is there's no action that you need to take on the receiver side. Just double click on the transmitter. Once you do that, you'll notice that the blue lights will start to flash yellow. The number of times the light flashes is going to tell you the channel number that you've landed on. If it clicks twice, channel 2. 3 times, channel 3. Now, remember with the CF-80, you have the flexibility to use up to 4 wireless systems at the same time in the same location. And if you assign a different channel bank to each one of those devices, you can avoid interferences and enjoy seamless wireless performance. So there you have it, y'all. That's how you switch between channel banks in the CF-80 wireless system. Say goodbye to all that clicking and popping and crackling and dropping out, and enjoy some high quality audio when you're out there playing your guitar or bass, okay? If you have any questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the good folks at CFG, and stay tuned for more tutorials and helpful tips like this one. Peace, y'all.